Today I am going to start first lecture of classification of elements, and this is the chapter of 9th class of the chemistry. Then here in classification of element, and we classify the different type of the matter at first. What is the matter? Anything that occupies a space and have mass is known as matter. Then here when we classify the matter, then there is a two basis of classification. One is physical classification, another is chemical classification. Then physical classification. When we classify matter like as physical classification, then it is three types: solid, liquid, gas. It means this is a physical classification of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Another chemical classification of matter is chemical classification of matter is, it means the matter when we classify it chemically, then there are two types of the matter. One, pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance, impure substance. Pure substance means element and compounds. Where element is pure as well as compound also. Element, compound are pure. Impure is mixture, and that mixtures are two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture. Okay. In this way we can classify the matter in different types. Okay. Then here, first of all, pure substance. About pure substance we have to know. And so this element when we take, then element is also made up of tiny particles, that is the atom. And so I am going to discuss about the atom at first. And first of all, atom. What is atom? Atom is a smallest particle of an element which take part in chemical reaction. Like as when we combine the two substances together chemically, when chemical reaction take place between the two substances, when we keep together, then atom of that both substances are responsible to react. It means chemical reaction take place only when the atom of both substances participate. Okay, and so atom means a smallest particle of an element which take part in chemical reaction is called atom. It means when there is a chemical reaction take place, then atom is responsible in chemical reaction. And in atom there are different fundamental particles. It means atom is also made up of different fundamental particles. There are three fundamental particles in an atom, that is proton, electron and neutrons. Then here I am going to discuss atom is made up of three fundamental particles. And that fundamental particle is proton, electron and neutron. We already know atom is spherical in shape, and at center of the atom there is a nucleus in which proton and neutron is present, and electrons revolves around the nucleus in an orbit. Then first of all, about proton I am going to discuss. Proton means it is a positively charged particle, positive charged particle present in nucleus of an atom. Another, its weight is very small, and so we use AMU, means atomic mass unit, and we already know 1 AMU is very small quantity. Here first of all, and that is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And here then when we express their mass, its mass is 1 MeV. It means the mass of proton is, its mass is 1 MeV. Its mass is 1 MeV. 1 MeV is equal to what? That is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. That is very small. And it is positively charged particle, we already know. Here I have mentioned already. Then second, electron. It is a negative charged particle or negatively charged particle. It is negatively charged particle. Particle revolves around nucleus in an orbit. It means electron does not present in nucleus. It revolves around the nucleus in an fixed orbit. It is a negatively charged particles revolves around nucleus in an orbit. And this electron's mass is small, that is its mass is equal to 1 by this much of 1 AMU. It means its mass is 1837 times lesser than that of the mass of proton. It is very small. And so when we calculate the atomic weight or atomic mass at that times, and we take the proton, that is mass of proton and mass of neutron only. We do not take the mass of electron because it is very small. That is 1 by 1837 times lesser than that of the mass of proton. Okay. Neutron. Neutron. It is a chargeless particle. It is a chargeless particle. It is a chargeless particle present in the nucleus of an atom. It means neutron is chargeless particles where there is no charge and present in nucleus of atom. Okay. Then what is the mass of neutron? The mass of neutron is 1 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Okay. And which is very small unit to express the mass. Okay. Then 1 MU. It means mass of neutron and mass of proton is equal, but mass of electron is very less. That is 100. That is 1 by 1837 times lesser than that of the mass of 1 MU or mass of proton or neutrons. Okay. Okay. This much for today. In another day I will talk about